So, good day guys, mag-clearance sale tayo ngayon. Lahat ng items natin dito is 500 below lang. So, unahin ko na dito sa mga t-shirt natin. Meron tayo dito Nike na double swoosh. Big logo siya guys, size small to. And size small, this one is authentic. Then ang color rate at condition niya is 910 ako dito. Next naman natin is meron tayo dito Nike SB na Queen of Hearts. And this one is size XL on tag. Pero ang fit niya sa akin is parang medium. Well, no issue to guys. Next one guys is meron tayo dito Nike na Pocket Tee. Ang size naman nito is size XL. True to size naman siguro yung fit nito. Then may issue lang siya dito. Ayan, may parang yellow stain. Hindi ko lang sure kung washable to guys. Next one guys is meron tayong Nike na mid swoosh. This one is size 2XL, loose fit. This one is authentic din guys. Ang issue lang nito is may parang ink na stain siya dito and hindi na siya siguro washable. Then ayun lang naman issue niya guys, white na white pa to. Next one guys is meron tayo dito Nike na basic logo lang. Then this one is size large, and white na white din to. No issue. And next naman natin is meron tayo ditong Nike na polo shirt. This one is size large yung tag, and ang issue lang nito guys is ito yung buttons niya is may crack. And overall excellent to guys. Next one is meron ulit tayo ditong Nike na polo shirt, size large. Black na black pa to guys. Ang issue lang nito is yung dito sa may neckline may fold siya na may fold. Then overall wala naman yung size. Next naman natin guys is meron tayo ditong Ebisu na pasaka na long sleeve. This one is size large, authentic to guys. Then condition 910 ako dito, no issue. Available pa. Next one is meron tayo ditong Adidas na crew-neck. Size large to guys, pero tingin ko fit to ng medium. Ang dimes naman na to is 21.5 by 27. This one is also excellent condition, no issue. For the next one guys, is meron tayo dito Nike na crew-neck. Ito yung multi-swoosh ang tawag ko ata dito. And may swoosh siya dito, then dito. Then sa likod, and big logo to guys. Ang color rate lang nito is 8 out of 10 ako dito sa color rate. Then may issue siya dito. May minimal cracks sa print. Next one guys, is meron tayo ditong Nike na World Tour to guys. Ayan. May mga stain lang siya, need wash to. Then ito yung bucket. World Tour to guys. This one is size large. Dito naman tayo sa mga pants at shorts. Unahin ko na dito sa Adidas natin na cargo. Pero yung fabric niya is parang track pants siya guys. Then this one is brand new. And dito ang tag. Ito yung fit niya sa akin. Baggy fit to guys. No issue to. Brand new. Next one is meron tayo ditong vintage na Reebok. At yung tag niya, vintage. Then sweatpants to guys ha. Yan yung fit niya. Baggy fit din siya. Meron siya ditong logo ng Reebok. And meron din siya ditong logo sa may hand. For the next one guys is meron tayo ditong Nike track pants. And this one is size small. Authentic to guys. Ito yung swoosh niya. Ganyan. Then this one is may issue lang siya sa may dito sa may side na to, sa may white. Then wala naman yung iba. Ayun lang. For the next one is meron tayo dito Ebisu die cup na and yung bucket na guys. Ang condition nito guys is 910 ako dito. No issue naman siya. Yung condition pa. Next one guys is meron tayo dito Converse na sweatshirt. And embroidered to guys embroidered. Then yung fit niya is baggy fit. And nakikita nyo, baggy fit siya. Then this one is size large. Size large. Yan siya guys. Sobrang ganda na. So for the next one guys, meron tayo ditong Puma na soccer shorts. And yung design niya. As nyo pa yung condition nito guys, then may tali pa siya. No issue to guys, condition nito 9.5/10 pa ako dito. Ganda.